Hi guys, welcome to Selvin and Family Kitchen today. Today we're gonna do green plantain with sardine. And I know a lot of you guys never do eat green plantain before, but we're gonna do green plantain today with sardine. Hi guys, welcome to Selvin and Family Kitchen today. And today we're gonna do green plantain with sardine. Right here we have some half a chopped onion, half a red onion, half a yellow pepper, half a red pepper, half a tomato. We have a little bit of black pepper here, garlic powder, all-purpose season. We have 2 tins of sardine there. And right here we have the giant of the giant, the green plantain. A lot of you guys never eat green plantain before, but a lot of like people from Africa or Jamaican or the Caribbean country them, we know about green plantain. So we have 2 giant green plantain right here. So today on the menu in Selvin and Family Kitchen is green plantain with sardine. Basically guys, what we're doing now, we just cut off the top of the green plantain and we cut off the bottom. Then we just get the knife, stroll it through like that. Cause we want to take off all of the skin because we don't want to eat the skin. So we just peel it like that. Look how rich is that color. That golden color from these green plantains, and you know that this plantain is ready to go. Do the next one as well. Cut off the top, cut off the bottom. Then we just stroll it through like that. Give it a peel. Peel it like that one. Get these out of the way. And basically what we're looking for guys, what we're going to do, we're going to cut it in 2 halves. Cut it in 2. So when you cut it in 2, just get your knife, stab some hole in it. That one ready. So when we're frying it, we don't want to fry it, we just want to off fry it so the steam and the oil can get between it. Normally if we're doing fried plantain, we can slice it up like that, or we cut it long way like that. Maybe this one maybe cut in 4, but now I want to keep them whole like that. I just want to bore some hole in it. I just want the oil and that steam, everything to just fly right through it that it can cook. So right now guys, this is ready. Alright guys, let us have some oil in there getting warm. That's my Dutchie. I have that Dutchie around 6 years now. And I have this pot for the sardine. So right amount now, when that one is getting hot, I want the oil to hot. This one is getting hot as well, so I'm just going to tip a little bit of oil in this spoon. So get the seasoning ready for the sardine. It's a very easy process, there's nothing wrong. There's no meats. If you're hungry, you just want to do something very quickly. I'm just going to chop everything in one time. Just want to know if it's stirred. So I just have some red onion and some white onion and some yellow pepper and red pepper and half a tomato. So now I'm just gonna put in some of this green plantain. Just chop them in whole like that. None of my pot can hold them, but I'm gonna squeeze them in. Then I put on the lid. Give this a stir. minutes on that, guys. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and your family. Pass the video around. And if you want me to do another video like this, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so when I post a video, you will get it. So, green plantain with sardine. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of garlic powder. Just a much, just a little tip of it. Give it a stir. Put a little bit of black pepper, not too much. A little top. Just another little stir. Drop more out. Now a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, a little bit, not too much. Look at that. I think this sardine ready to go in now. You don't want it cooked too much. You don't want it too soft. So I have 2 tins of sardine here. Check that here. It's all of that juice out of it. I don't want to put in no chili pepper in the sardine because the sardine already come already spicy with chili pepper. So I have 2 tins of sardine. Oh, I can smell it already. Oh my word. Just turn on the fire very low underneath that. Have a check on this plantain. Did I get it on? So you want them to cover with the oil, but the oil can go through them properly. So don't give them turn them over. So I'm gonna give them another maybe 3 minutes. We're gonna take them out. So this is green plantain. Kind of crispy brown color, that's what we're looking for. So then the lid, another 4 minutes. Sardine coming nicely. Look at that, people, they're ready to come out. So I'm gonna take them out of the pot now. Let them cool for around 5 minutes. And then I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do with them after I finish. Guys, I take them out the pot to cool for 5 minutes. So now I'm going to press them now. So you guys maybe wonder what I'm doing with this big chopper, but hold it like that. So I press it like that. A little bit of salt. You don't want too much salt on it. And straight in the pot to fry it over again. So So that one is frying. I'm gonna press the next one as well. A little bit of salt. Put them one side there. Next one. So when you fry green plantain, you don't want to fry it 100%. You want to like fry it like 80%. And after you take it out for 5 minutes, let it cool, and then you just flatten it like a pancake. Then you put it back in the pot to fry. It's very easy to fry. Scoop that one there. Next one. So this is 2 green plantain cut in 4. A little bit of salt. Out the way. Turn up the fire a bit. So this one is ready to go. Chuck in another one. You don't want to give them maybe around 2 minutes to fry. So you don't want to then, if you turn up the fire too high, and they're easy to burn now because they fry 80% already. So you just want around 20% to finish the 100% to fry. So as soon as you put them in the pot, them sink. As soon as they fry, then float up. So this is on the menu today in green plantain with sardine. So that's my sardine over there, all finished. So that one is finished as well. Drain off the hull. Check in the next one. So if you guys want me to do another video like this with this green plantain, and make a comment, subscribe to my channel, Selvin and Family channel, or Selvin Robinson channel. So, and share the video around, make a comment, and make sure you put a thumbs up, like the video. Alright guys, this is all finished now. This is the finished product. Green plantain with sardine. Look at it guys. Can't wait to dive into that. So guys, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to the channel, put a thumbs up, and make a comment. If you guys want to see me make another video like this with green plantain, make a comment and let me know. So if you're new to the channel guys, just subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.